Hello guys, this is Asutosh. Welcome to our YouTube channel Placementer. Guys, a lot of our friends have asked that when the off-campus placement will begin. So guys, according to previous year data and some research, I think I am able to answer this question. So let's begin with the topic. Guys, if we see the analytics of previous year, then I think from January the off campus begins, but there was some exceptional time during previous year because COVID was just new to the world, so everything was delayed previously, and off campus placement I think started at the last of January and first week of February, and some of the companies started hiring from January, first week of January. So according to me, the off campus placement may begin from last week of December or first week of January in this month, like. And if we talk about which company will hire most a number of candidates, so if we talk about this and we see the previous year data, then I think Accenture is the company which is going to hire a lot of candidate, a lot of freshers, because Accenture is hiring very aggressively, and the IT sector is just booming in these days, so they require a lot of freshers, a lot of engineers to do their project works. If we talk about TCS, so just I will say that just prepare for the Accenture uh, explicitly, and if we talk about TCS, then I think the Code Vita would be the last official option for the TCS hiring. TCS may hire candidates whenever they want, but for 2022 batch, I think Code Vita is the last option, so that they can get TCS like very easily. But after that, if they hire, they may include the batch of 2021-22, or may include the batch of 2020. So it would be little bit tougher to get into TCS after the Code Vita recruiting. And yeah, Wipro may also announce an LTH at the end of December, and Infosys may also begin their off-campus drive from January or February. It is obvious that Infosys and Accenture may recruit in 2 to 3 phases in off campus, because if we see, and Capgemini, yeah, Capgemini as well will be recruiting aggressively. So I think you should target these companies, like if you are not placed yet, then you should target these companies: Accenture, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Capgemini, and Cognizant as well, because Cognizant is also, like, Cognizant is hiring blindly. uh, in my friend circle, friend zone, I have not seen anyone who have been rejected by the Cognizant. Very few of them are being rejected, especially for the Gen Z role. Cognizant is hiring very aggressively, and like, he is not saying from which branch the guy is, and did he know coding or not. He just check your communication skills, and it's not like that your communication skills should be much better or should be excellent, but it should be like that you are able to say your things in say your things in English, like you are able to communicate, you are able to do a basic conversation, that's it. So I think just prepare for these companies. It would be very great opportunities for you guys, because this the off campus hiring will going to start soon. So just prepare aptitude, English, and reasoning, and I think a few technical things like oops and is one programming language you must consider, and I think there would not be any problem. If you want, you can just make a simple project like banking system, or in C++, whatever language you know till now. Doesn't matter from which branch you are, you are surely going to be selected if you do all these basic things. So I don't think there is much time for you. I think you all have almost 1 year, and you can do very well in these months, because I've also prepared almost 1 month, and I got selected in 4 different MNCs, like in Wipro, Cognizant, Infosys, and EXL Technologies. So I will be creating a video like how I prepared in just 1 month and got selected in these MNCs. Just wait for 1 to 2 days. Video is going to release soon. So guys, if you get any value from our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and also share with your friends, and do comment in comment section what kind of video do you want to watch next. Thanks, have a great day.